Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet little Christmas tree. I went to my local Hobbycraft store, and as I was walking down the aisles I came across these great little shapes. They're made out of plywood, very thin plywood, and they were only £1. So I thought, you're coming home with me, so this is what I came up with, and it's really sweet. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I've given you some creative thoughts on how to make yours. So get the kids involved and let them do their own things. So if you liked the video, give it a like, and you can always press the subscribe button to see what my next creations are going to be.